So now I'm going to introduce this anti-drift for you. This is conventional anti-drift with this lead screw is manual, with only one side on the idler. This is on the driver, this is on the idler. But this one is automatic, contactless, long contact anti-drift rotator. So you can see our company focus on the automatic welding system. This you can see, this is the column and boom platform. This is 10-ton rotator. I will show you this position later. And you can see all of these are rotators. So many. We don't have so much place. Now we have very limited place, so we have to pile it up. All the rotators need to be piled up. And this is a cantilever welding machine for cantilever. And all cantilever. Okay, now this machine is ready. I'm going to continue the test of this position. 还没好啊。Let's see this side. This is also cantilever machine. This is the column. That's the platform. That's the platform of the cantilever machine. This flux recovery machine. You can see we buy so many. These are all for the column and boom. These are also so. This set of welding column and boom, special color, customized color, ready for shipment. This is for Argentina customer. Everything is ready. It's being packed. Okay. This I really want to show you this. So many wind tower canting machine. We don't have place, so we have to pile it up. You can see, is it amazing? Our machine, if we pile all the machine here, the size may be several times bigger than this factory. This one also anti-drift rotator, mechanical anti-drift rotator. This one maybe 200, 300 ton. Okay, these are also wind tower. So many. I'm going to show you later. 暂停一下. Car also made by our company. We have different ton, 5 ton, 10 ton, 15, 20. It's very economical. The cost is very low, but has a lot of fun, has a lot of usage. It's very good to use. We have been using this for many years, but still working. Let's see it. Everyone in our company, they like this machine. You can see, it's very convenient. It has been used for many years. When it is running, the siren alarm is siren. So when I lose it, it stops. So it's very easy to use. We have been using this for many years and it's still used. So very easy to handle. On the rail, we use it all the time. Okay, hope you like it. If you like it, just give me a contact. Thank you.